The video showcases the incredible health benefits of papaya, highlighting its impact on digestion and skin health. Fresh papayas are sliced open, revealing their vibrant color and rich nutrients, while individuals enjoy this delicious fruit, showing off their glowing skin and signs of healthy digestion. The upbeat background music complements the visuals, creating an engaging and informative experience. As the scene shifts, friends share delightful moments, savoring the taste of papaya, which not only satisfies the palate, but also boosts overall health. In another frame, a person applies a papaya face mask, demonstrating how this fruit contributes to radiant skin. The combination of fun visuals and informative content reinforces the message about the many benefits of incorporating papaya into daily life. Next, a nutritionist passionately shares insights about papaya's unique enzymes that aid digestion, captivating the audience with engaging visuals of how this fruit supports gut health. The scene transitions to a colorful fruit bowl showcasing papayas alongside other tropical delights, encouraging viewers to embrace a lifestyle rich in nutritious foods.